Welcome, dear learners, as we open this school year 2020-2021, hoping that you are in good condition, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. We are always looking forward for your growth and achievement. I am Marilu A. Elba, your subject teacher for Earth and Life Science. So join me as we do a morning grind and exercise our brain cells.
So we must give thanks to the Lord for His glory. So today's reading, it's Matthew 25, 1 to 13. Therefore, keep watch, because you do not know the day of the hour. What does waiting for Jesus' return to look like in your life? Have you left something undone that you could attend today? So, a word to reflect, class. So, if sa classroom may batas, sa virtual pag nag-comply ka, may plus. So, in virtual management, be quiet, raise your hand virtually sa chat box, take turns, look and listen, and observe, play, go, para happy ang ating mga parents and guardians. So, way to get there. Everything has a purpose. So as you can see in the illustration, it is the Earth structure. So Earth is the only planet in the solar system known to be harbor life. Our planet has a molten rock, or rather molten nickel iron core, which gave to an extensive magnetic field, which along with the atmosphere shields us from harmful radiation coming from the sun. So as you can see in the illustration, it has different layers. So we owe to the core for supporting us life as well. And then in this module, you can understand why this planet is also called as a living planet. So you already have an idea of what topic we are going to discuss for today. So I know you have it. So our topic for today is Lesson 1, the origin and structure of Earth, planet Earth particularly. So first, let's identify in the solar system in the given illustration. So can you name them in chronological order? Okay, so let's have a grind. So that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So again, class all together. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So malapit na ang Miss You, diba? So you must be able to know this in order. So the big question here, guys, is any idea of what do you think are the characteristics of the planet Earth that make it different from all other planets? I know you have the idea, guys. Well, I know one of those things is Earth as a Goldilocks. Mami ko ba yung cake? No. So join me as we unfold the secret facts of Earth. The next illustration or the next text would be Earth as a habitable planet. So meron palang mga factors to consider that planet can support life, diba? Sabi nga natin Goldilocks, so that is the meaning of Earth as a Goldilocks. It supports life. So ano pa ba yung other evidences? So, first clue on our first factor, it serves as the first vital sign to be checked in order to enter a premise or a premises or establishment. What it is? Yes, you got it right! Temperature. So, for we know that temperature influences how quickly atoms and molecules move. So, in this range, definitely, the 15 degrees Celsius to 115 degrees Celsius in this range liquid water can exist under a certain condition. So next, another clue. Tell me how supposed to breathe with no air. Can breathe with no air. So you got it, guys. It's atmosphere. So pinagsamang Britney Spears at air. So Earth has atmosphere that is about 100 miles deep. Imagine, diba? Yung proximity distance natin or proximity natin against the sun, kung masyado tayong malapit, naku, hindi pa pwede ang mga pabikibelo natin, UV protection. So, good thing, we are, kumbaga, be blessed that we are away from the sun. So, it keeps the surface warm and protect us in radiation and small to medium meteorites. Next clue. Energy gap, drink Milo every day. So what do I pertaining? Another factor that Earth is habitable planet? Yes, it's the energy. May energy pa ba kayo? Just stay there, ha? With energy, with a steady input, either light or chemical energy, cells can run the chemical reaction necessary for life. So kaya pala, di ba, with regard to gravitational force, ganyan hindi tayo nagpo-float, as well as yung ating momentum, di ba? So yan, isa yan sa factor that Earth is habitable planet. So next, hello there mga plantito, plantita. So definitely, alam natin kung ano yung mga naging hobbies natin this past 7 months, ang haba na pala ng pandemic, no? So ano ba yun? From cooking, to baking, to the current one is plantito and plantita. So I am pertaining to nutrients. Meron palang nutrients talaga na given ng ating Mother Earth. So these are used to build and maintain the organism's body, such as yung mga protein, carbohydrates. So those are essential for organism in order to survive or support life. So again, let's have a quick snap. Factors that affect the planet as a habitable: temperature, check; atmosphere, check; energy, check; and nutrients, check. So, the question again is, what are the factors that make the planet habitable? Alam yung sagot dyan. What are the characteristics of planet Earth that makes it habitable? So, same lang sila, di ba? So, write it down to your activity notebook, the answer, and refer it to your module for further learning. So, to know you more, Earth. So Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has large amount of liquid or water. So, sabi nga dyan, Earth is the only place in the known universe confirmed to have life, and it's the only known for sure to have liquid water in the surface. So just like our human body, diba? Our human body is composed of how many percent? 60%. You got it right. So 60% of our body is composed of water. How about the Mother Earth? Any guess? That's right, may tama ka. 70% of the surface of the Earth is covered by liquid or frozen water. How about kung nagkaroon ng unbalance or imbalance rather, diba, sa ating Mother Earth? Matutunaw pala talaga tayo dahil sa dami na liquid component ng Earth. So, yun nga, one of the reasons why planet Earth is unique is the liquid water. Plate tectonics. Ma'am, bakit kasama ang plate tectonics? So, meron ng studies na meron nakakatulong sa ang plate tectonics or pagiging present ng plate tectonics sa mga exoplanet. So, they have done their research. So, for this reason, sa Earth naman, plate tectonics with the surface broken up into the number of tectonic plates that drift around moving continents and causing earthquake and life. So yung mga disaster natin, kailangan din natin yan, given yan, in order to promote the balance of the earth. So ganun pala yun, no? It has an effect of the creation as well of the greenhouse. So, and the last would be, it has atmosphere that shelters it from the worst of the sun rays. So, planet Earth is habitable because it has the right distance from the sun. As I earlier mentioned, the proximity. It is kept warm by insulating the atmosphere, and it has the right chemical ingredients for life, including water, carbon. It can provide water, oxygen, used for biological products for human, and suitable for weather and climate. But hey guys, there's more to life. So, have you registered your name to Mars? Hashtag! Send my name to Mars. Diba uso-uso nga Mars? Kamusta ka na Mars? Pautang naman dyan Mars. Ay, hindi pala yun yun. So, send your name to Mars. So, may nakapag-register na ba dyan? So, some of you may be. Then, yes, this is the new mission of NASA. They sent in their names already with the first mission, and then nagko-collate sila ngayon. This next coming year, as of today, we do have 680,820 names. So, napakadami guys. And then, syempre, are you interested to be one of us to get your name to Mars to affix it? Well, diba? Sabi nga nila, bakit kaya sinasend yung name sa Mars? Maybe they found out or they found out an evidence of life into Mars. Willing ba kayong lumipat sa Mars? Not for now. Kahit may pandemic, still keep on surviving. Next. So let's move on. Sabi nga natin na discuss na natin yung capabilities or factors na Earth as a blue planet, as a living planet. How about consideration yung mga kalapit nating planet, such as Venus and Mars? So may have similarities. Definitely, they have all terrestrial planets made up of solid rocks and silicates. Number 2 would be, they have an atmosphere. O, meron din naman pala eh. Pero, di ba, take note, question mark pa rin. They almost have the same time to rotate on their axis. And then, Earth and Mars both have water. Next would be, they have all carbon dioxide and all have a land force. Meron pala. Pwede pala. Pero pwede ba tayong mabuhay as human? A big question mark again. Let's find out. So, ito naman yung differences. So, makikita natin dito sa differences na kaya pala tayo nag-i-exist dito sa Mother Earth or sa Earth. Kasi, hindi tayo capable to live into other planets such as Venus has no water. Diba? We all know that kahit walang pagkain, diba yung sa castaway nga, nung una ayaw niya talagang kumuha ng means of living, basta nakakainom siya, makakasurvive ka. Pero sa Venus, makasurvive ka kaya? No water? Definitely no. Then, Venus and Mars don't have oxygen. Diba sa atmosphere natin, may given percentage of oxygen, carbon dioxide, diba? They have their balance in order for us, humans or living organisms to survive. So, dun sa dalawa, wala pala. Diba? Then, last would be, definitely, Earth has life form. So, palakpakan naman dyan because we are blessed na buhay tayo at ang mga plants at living animals, especially ang mga insects. Diba? Malaki ang kanilang ambag sa balance ng ecosystem. So, as I end up my lesson, definitely I will leave you this quote. We know what we are, but not what may be, by William Shakespeare. O, di ba? Hindi lang pala siya pa mga love story. We don't know that, di ba, what the future holds or how long will the pandemic run. But we can try to shape each day to be more positive, creative, exciting, and rewarding. Our potential is infinite. So guys, be motivated, keep motivated,